In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can hide apps on iPhone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first, select any app that you want to hide. For example, I'm going to go with this app over here. Just click and long press, and then it's going to pop up with this drop down menu. And here you have to click require face ID. And it's going to give you this pop up, and here you have to click hide and require face ID. Once you do so, it's going to hide this app for you, and here you have to click hide app on the pop-up again, and here you can see the app is now hidden. To access this app, you simply have to slide to your app library to the right, and here you have to find this folder that says hidden and click it, and it's going to take your face ID, and you can now see this app over here. And now if you want to remove this app from your hidden section, just simply click and long press, and then click don't require face ID on the pop-up, and it's going to unhide this app. And here you can see now the app is back, and that's how you do it.